Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility. This is where Back Tap lives. Once there, scroll to Touch, tap it to access gesture options. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated because older iOS versions don't include Back Tap. Why this first step matters. Back Tap ties into system gestures, so you must be in the right menu to configure reliable responses. If you can't find accessibility, use Settings search at the top to jump directly. Once done, tap Back Tap and choose Double Tap or Triple Tap. You can enable both, so pick one to start. You'll see a long list. Select an action like Home, Screenshot, or a shortcut you created. Assigning a shortcut lets you automate multi-step tasks, which is why Back Tap is powerful. Make sure to test by tapping the back of your phone gently. You should feel or see the assigned action. If it misses, try adjusting tap speed by practicing different force and finger placement. To finish, verify both double and triple tap actions work in everyday use. Carry your phone in a normal grip and try again. If taps aren't recognized, restart your iPhone. That often clears sensor hiccups. Make sure your case isn't too thick because heavy cases can block taps. Try a thinner case or remove it. If problems persist, disable other gesture controls that might conflict, then reassign Back Tap actions. That troubleshooting tip usually restores reliable performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.